Okay, good evening, students. Uh, both four chapter we have completed in algebra and in geometry. For first, second, and third algebra and geometry, I have taken separate MCQ exam, MCQ test. So fourth chapter are remaining. So that we will complete today. So if this meeting will over immediate, if that much MCQs will be not covered, so you have to rejoin. For this batch, take everything positive, that two things are in your favor. That first 25% they have reduced. Second positive thing, maximum. Already they have announced that 50% they will take MCQs, but if physical exam will not be conducted, then full on exam from home they are planning. Then it will be more easy and good news for you that full on exam will be on MCQ base. So for that preparation, for that practice, I have prepared lots of questions that you will think that which type of the questions can be asked from GST, from the construction, how MCQs they will prepare. So these are the example, and this type only they will ask. So try to understand, and if you want to speak something, you raise the hand. Host will allow you. And again, it is my warning, bacha. You write just name, division, roll number. Don't write single extra alphabet in that, please. It's my humble request. Every day I am telling you. Okay. Huh. So first I have prepared around 20 MCQs in algebra chapter number 4. First MCQ, which is most common, that what is the exactly meaning of G.S.T? Goods and service tax. Sometimes we purchase the material, sometimes we take only service. So goods and service tax, that is the first. If you want to note down, or otherwise I'll send you the video so that you can repeat. Next very important question of MCQ. GST license number or GST code contain how many digits? They will give 10, 15, 20, 25, 15. The real answer, correct answer is 15. Next, first two digit of 15 digit shows what? It shows state code. 27, it is not unique for all over India, it is unique for only Maharashtra. So this question they can ask in two ways. First two digit shows what? It shows a code of state. At that time, don't write Maharashtra. Separate question. What is the first two digit for Maharashtra GST number? That is 27. The next question is, after two digit, 10 digit shows what? That is a PAN number. Again, what is the full form of PAN? Permanent account number. That is 10 digits. So first two digit of Maharashtra code, 10 digit of PAN card number. So total 12. So one more MCQ. What is the 13 digit shows? 13 digit, single digit. It shows the number of GST number created on single PAN card number. Single digit. It suppose it is applied and number created. So minimum 1, 0 cannot be there. Maximum 9. Suppose you want 10, so you have to create one another PAN card. But on one PAN card, PAN, permanent account number, you can create maximum 9, minimum 1. So First to Maharashtra code, then 10 permanent account number. So 10 plus 2, 12, 13 1 single digit. It shows the number of GST number of GST created on single PAN card number. Then one more. What is HNS? There are lots of full form in this. Harmonized system of nomenclature. This is the full form. In the SOMs we have not included or we have used, but HNS, harmonized system of nomenclature. HSN, sorry. Harmonized system of nomenclature. Then after GST, CGST, SGST. This stand for what? This for Central Goods and Service Tax. This goes for Central Delhi government. This is for Maharashtra government, state government, state GST, goods and service tax. Then what is ITC, input tax credit? Here also two type of the question. What is that input tax? ITC, that is input tax credit. When we write tax as ITC, when someone purchase, the GST paid at the time of purchase, that is input. Then output tax credit. When we sell the goods by okay. Now I'll write dark, no problem. Now
no, still
it is
blur.
okay.
Sir, do it by sharing.
Ravi,
ना?
I can't share. यहाँ तो बच्चा आ नेटवर्क आमा कन्वर्ट करना तो मोबाइल कन्वर्ट स्क्रीन बराबर मध्ये दिखा दे. ओके, टिल दैट जस्ट लिसन बच्चा. हाँ, सो नहीं पहला आने चालू कर दे. होल्ड पर कर दे ना, होल्ड पर. Okay, it is because of network is not stable. Okay, my next question is, so these are the struggle of life. We are working with poor network and this vision issue and sound issue. So one who win without problem, it is a simple victory. One who win without any problem, that is a simple victory. But who win with lots of problem, that is a history. And my always slogan is that you are not born to read the history, you are born to create the history. Next.
Sir,
Okay. हाँ.
Hello sir.
Hello.
आवाज नहीं
Voice
आ रहा
is
सर
clear.
आपका.
Yeah,
Voice
it's
is
clear.
clear here. My
They might
frequency
be
is full.
having
Why?
network issue.
Okay, next. Okay, ITC, input tax credit, always it is on purchase. And OTC, output tax credit, always it is on selling. Sometimes they will ask who is greater always, who is lower always. So output is always greater, input is always lowest. So a person who is purchasing also, selling also, at that time, the net payable GST is always output minus input, because always output is more, input is less. Now what is the meaning of B2B? Selling and purchasing, both the things are done by businessmen only. Businessman selling to one businessman. Next chain is B2C. B stands for businessman, C stands for customer. It can never be C to B, always from businessman to customer, but it is never from customer to businessman. And always input tax credit is less than output tax credit. Always remember. For a middleman who is selling also, who is purchasing also, for that GST is output minus input. But some tricky questions suppose they ask. In this full chain, what is the meaning of chain? That also I have written. MWRC. MWRC. What is MWRC? The chain of business, next to next stage. It is not reversible, never. MWRC, manufacturer who produce, sells to wholesaler, sells to retailer, sells to customer. These are the chain. It is not interpreted, means not zigzag way. This is only the chain. So among this, who pays full GST? Otherwise, always OTC minus ITC. Manufacturer. Because he is a producer. So producer always pay full. Then suppose 100 is paid, and as per the wholesaler it is 120. So 100 is paid, he will pay 20. It is 150. 120 paid, 150, 30. 200 he has to pay. 100 already paid, 150 already paid. Rest of 50. So always output minus input. But for this, he is producing, not purchasing. Full. Then this always you have to remember this to this to this. It should not be zigzag way. Now simple numerics they will give. For example, 200 is the cost price. 12% is the GST. So how much is the GST? Percent means on 100. Don't in rough calculate that this into this divided by this. No. On 100 it is 12 rupees. On 200 it is double.
Hello, sir.
On 200.
Sir, the voice is not clear, sir. It's break.
For
So it's clear they
okay,
might be having their network issue.
Okay, bacha. You check the network, bacha. Please. Close the mic. Okay, next. On 200 rupees, 12% is the GST. Find out the GST. So on 100, 12 rupees. On 200 means double GST means 24 rupees. Reversible question. 224 with GST 12%. Find out the cost price. So 12%, no? Cost price is 100. So with GST, 12 rupees, it is 112. So with GST, it is 224. How much is the cost price? So 100 into 224 divided by 112. This cancels. So from the cost price, find out GST. With GST, find out cost price. Like that very small calculation. Suppose 118 rupees paid on 100 rupees with GST. How much is the percentage of GST of 100 rupees? With GST, 118 is paid. So how much paid? 18 rupees paid. So 18% on 100. Then very important question. This they will ask 100%. Mandate, I am expecting 100%. Number will be different, but the question will be the same. Suppose 18% is GST. Find out SGST, CGST. So you will write 99%. Simple. Because you know that SGST, CGST are half and exactly 50% of GST. GST is, see, this question can be asked in different way. GST is 18. How much is this and this? 9. SGST is 8%. For example, SGST is 8%. How much is this or how much is this? This will also 8. This is 16. Or if this is 7, CGST is 7. This is also 7. What is this? So from GST they can ask CGST, SGST. From SGST they can ask CGST and total GST. Now next very important and easy question. If input tax credit is 112 rupees, output tax credit is 150 rupees. So that person, how much he will pay as a GST? So GST we know that output minus input. So 150 minus 112, that is 38 rupees. At that time you have to remember always output minus input. In life you always get good experience also, bad experience also. You will come to know the lots of story of success also. You will come to know the lots of story of unsuccess. So if you will read the success story, you will get the message. But if you will read on a success story, you will get good and different ideas. After 2000 experiment, a small bulb is discovered. So that scientist said that 2000 experiment was not the fail, but these are the steps to reach this. So the negativity, how you take, that's up to you. So in lots of negative circumstances you are working, that is a good, I must appreciate. Next, one more question. On 300 rupees, 8% GST. So what will be the cost for a customer final bill total? So 300 he has to pay plus GST, 300 into 8 divide by 100, 24 rupees. So total to pay 300 plus 24. So from this small formula, this type of the question, these are the only framework. Out of this, they will not ask anything. So around 20 questions I have discussed with you. Total 20 questions. I'll send the video. So again, you can recall all the things. Now, fourth chapter, geometry. From that also, I have prepared around 15 questions. One more Pankti, that what the age of you people, teenage people, think about the success, that we need money, we need a requirement, we need quality, we need the things. No, the things, requirement, facility means what? Money. Basically money, from that only it will comes. So on that one very good Pankti is that सफलता पाने के लिए जेब में गांधी हो ये जरूरी नहीं है, दिलों में आंधी हो तो सफलता चूम कर आए. So your power, your positivity, your enthusiasm, it works. So don't think negative, be always positive. So let's start with geometry. In construction, which type of MCQs they can ask? Without drawing, you have not to construct anything. You have to give the answer on some basic axioms, basic statement on which we have drawn construction. First, if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and AB by PQ is equal to half and AB is given 5 centimeter. So ratio to ratio, no need to compare, because compared to AB, PQ is double. So PQ is 10. Your answer should be 10 centimeter. Half AB is given 5 by PQ, cross product.
Sir,
Next, ask.
sir, how AB will be 5 centimeter?
Given, that is given. If this and this given, how much is the PQ? The question is what? Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. In that AB is to PQ is equal to 1:2. And AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Find PQ. This is the question. Follow? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Next. Same. Triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ. Measure angle R is equal to 60. So measure angle Y is equal to question. Similarity always 1:1 vertices. First equal to first, second equal to second, third equal to third. Angle wise. First angle to first angle, second angle to second angle, third angle to third angle. So if middle PQR, so sorry, Z, third to third, why? What is the reason? Both are congruent. That is, if third angle is 60, here also third angle is 60. One more very intelligent question. In triangle ABC, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C is equal to 60. Type of the triangle. So equilateral triangle formula, which you know that if three sides are equal, it is equilateral triangle. If three angles are equal, it is equilateral triangle. But if two angles are 60 degree, then also it is equilateral triangle. Because when two angles are 60, so total is 180, 120. And sum of three angle is 180. 180 minus 120, remaining 60. So if 2 is 60, third automatically it is 60. So first definition, if three sides are equal, it is equilateral. Correct. If three angles are equal, it is equilateral. Correct. But if two angles are equal, not only equal to 60, then also it is equilateral triangle, not isosceles. Now, again, very important point, and 100% they will ask in SSC board exam too. On same point, I will ask 6 questions, different. We always think in competition, percentage, marks, who got more than your marks, who got less than your marks. In Hindi, what you can say. So that is comparison of number. Like that, you also compare success. तो कौन आगे है, कौन पीछे है, ये मत देखो, लेकिन ये सोचो कि कौन साथ में है. तो those who are with you, only they will help you. So you are unique. You are also good. Don't compare. Amitabh Bachchan cannot compare with Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar cannot compare with Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan also cannot compare to Lata Mangeshkar. So you, each and every my son and daughters, you are most valuable. So you don't compare and don't go very deep into the competition. You try to best of best in your life. Okay, 6 questions, very important. 3 different sentences. What exactly you have to write? Circle is given. See the MCQs from construction. One circle is given. One point is given on the circle. On the circle. So how many tangents you can draw? Only one. On the circle, so one tangent possible. If point is outside the circle, 2 is possible, 2. Sorry. When it is inside, tangent means what? There is a single common point on circle and triangle. This is a circle, this is a line, sorry. So line and circle, there is one single common point. Circle and line, there is single common point. That is a tangent. So 3 questions. When point is on the circle, one tangent only you can draw. When point is outside the circle, 2 tangent you can draw. When point is inside the circle, 0 tangent you can draw. Exactly same. 6 question more. Distance exactly at R, the point you will take. This is R, double R. Exactly at double R distance, point is there. and you can draw two tangent. But why that perpendicular will touch the circle when it is exactly double, means diameter or double the radii. So your perpendicular bisector will touch the circle if it is greater than
Sir,
the distance is greater than double r. Tell me. Ask.
so please explain again this one.
There
No,
are
what you have explained now, that one.
yes. In three conditions, circle are given. It is in the frame? No. In that three condition. Here three condition. Point on a circle, only one tangent possible. Point outside the circle, two tangent possible. Point inside the circle, zero tangent, no tangent possible. These are the answer. These are the question. Now again, three question. From the center exactly to R. Suppose radii is 3, distance is 6. Here, radii is 3, distance is 8. More than radii, or more than double of radii. This is radii is equal to 4, less than 8, means distance is equal to 5, for example. 6 you can take. From center to that point, from center to that point, from center to that point. This point is exactly double of the radii. This point is more than radii, more than double the radii. This point is less than double the radii. Now, what is the position of perpendicular drawn? So when you will draw this two tangent, from here also.